Hello and welcome. Welcome to this new series, Determiner series, Learn with Tin. How are you? Good? I'm happy to hear that. Healthy? Okay, great. Yeah, just do some exercises at home. I know you're staying home most of the time these days, so you can spend like a fraction of your time working out instead of just eating. It's better for you. Yeah. Health is wealth, right? So anyway, today we are continuing with the series, the Determiners series, and we are doing the third part of it. But before we start with that third one here, let's talk about determiners again. Just a little review. So determiner, words like the and this, either, may, or whose, words that you are already familiar with, but they are used in a different way, or they have a different function in this series. Okay, so pay attention. Okay, so you already know this part. You can read this on your own. I have already talked about this in the previous video. Our main determiners, well, there can only be one. Okay, there can be only one also main determiner in a noun phrase. Okay, this is a general rule. But what we're going to talk about today is the demonstrative determiners. So what are they? Okay, they are this, that, these, those. I'm sure you're familiar with the word demonstrative. Perhaps you are remembering demonstrative pronouns, right? But let's learn more about demonstrative determiners. Okay, so this, that, these, those point to something that is close or distant, close or far, near, far, wherever. Okay, near, far, close or distant. Okay, so demonstrative determiners. Okay, let's take a look at this box here. We have near, far, singular, plural. Okay, I'm sure you're already familiar with this. We learned about this before, right? Do you remember when we were talking about pronouns? Okay, this is singular form, is the singular form. These is the plural form. We use this and these if something we are pointing out or pointing at is nearby, close to you. That is the singular form, and those is the plural form if we want to talk about something that is far away or at a distant place. Okay, the closeness can be space. Okay, next to the speaker, 20 meters from the speaker, 100 kilometers from the speaker. Okay, so this is what we call space. How near, how far can be meters or kilometers away. Also, the time. Okay, how close is it? When we talk about the time, is it now? Is it yesterday? Was it last week? Or next year? So we can both describe space and time for the demonstrative determiner. Okay, so just like all determiners, it also, or they also come at the beginning of a noun phrase, always. Okay, this, that, these, those, and then your noun. Okay, these are our examples. Let's read the three of them. I like this food. This first and then food. Noun. This demonstrative determiner. Food. Yes, you're right. Noun. This food. I use these pens. I have to do it this morning. Okay. So here we have the noun morning. We are talking about the time. Morning. Okay. So we have noun words such as days, clouds, birds, time. Okay. You can pause the video. Please read it. If you have any questions, you can message me directly. Message me in English Live or on English Live page. Are you surprised? Yeah. It is the end. Okay, demonstrative determiners are almost the same as demonstrative pronouns, but don't fret, don't worry. I know you're very confused right now, but soon I'm going to do a video explaining the difference between a demonstrative, or let's say, okay, let's just say a video that explains the difference between determiners and pronouns. Okay? Since the other determiners are very easy to understand, they're just articles, right? Okay, so we'll talk about that in the next video, but just practice, study this for now. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you again the next time. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay cool inside your houses. It's already summer. Happy summertime. See you next time. Bye.